Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Franklin here, back with a new video today. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make money on Fiverr. As you can see over here, I've been testing out some stuff for you guys to provide some knowledge for you guys how you can start out your dropshipping business with $0 and how to use Fiverr to capitalize your business, guys. So if you want to see this video, stay tuned, guys. So let's roll the intro. So packet it now, guys. So what I want you to do, guys, so all of those skills that you gather over the time, like creating Shopify store and not getting any success, and you know how to build your Shopify stores and all of those stuff, guys. So I'm going to talk to you about how you can use your skill, guys, that you gather over the time being practicing trying to get some Shopify store, guys, and you can use those skills of creating your shop to create Shopify stores to look professional, guys, on Fiverr, guys. So you can go to Fiverr, make a Fiverr account, guys, and you use that Fiverr account to sell Shopify dropshipping store. As you can see right there, a lot of person is doing it on Fiverr right here, and they are creating pro Shopify store, and you're using some premium team, guys, that you can really get. Some person is selling a list of premium team for $5 on eBay, guys. I will show you an example of that soon, guys. So look at this guy over here creating Shopify store. So I'm gonna click on this dude. Many order he got in queue right now. You got 4 orders in queue right now, and over the time being he got 51 orders, guys. So he got 51 review, and a lot of person do not leave any review, guys. So you can see this guy is making some basic story, some premium team, guys. So he's giving premium team logo creation, and logo is an easy thing to make. You can use Canva to make logo or Photoshop, guys. And this guy, I've been watching this guy for some time. This guy gig was at $5, now it's at $80, guys, and going up, guys. He's just creating all the things that you need to start with your Shopify store, guys, and you can look at what he will provide to the guy. He will provide responsive team, logo creation, navigation, guys, and all of those stuff, product, the collection, guys, the description, guys, and you can get description very easily for the product, guys. When you're doing product research, guys, you will add a live chat app. These are basic stuff that you can do in couple hours, guys, and guarantee you do some simple stuff and tell them look how many review he got. I'll scroll on to see his review, guys, and he's getting a lot of great review, guys. I'll click on one of these image that someone left by. It's not getting any bigger, guys, but you can see what I'm basically showing you. He's using the same team over and over for all of the store that he's building for his customers, guys. Look at this one. All he's doing is just changing the image, depends on the niche story that he's making, guys, and he's making a living off this right now, guys. And up here, these 4 orders, you don't know which one of the package this person buy. They can buy the standard package or the basic or the premium package, guys. And this dude got a lot of saves on his gig, so he's doing really well. And I'm telling you, this guy got more than 1 gig, so he got a couple Shopify gig that he created and selling these service, guys. So I'm guaranteed this guy was doing Shopify drop shipping and was not making enough money that he want to make on Shopify. So he head over to Fiverr, guys, to share his skill there. Also he's doing WordPress e-commerce store, that's WooCommerce, guys, store. And look, this is his number 1 gig, 2nd gig. Look how many review this 1 gig got. I will create automatically Shopify dropshipping store, guys. So he's using Olo and AliExpress to create a automated dropshipping store for his customers, guys, and it's so really easy and simple to do, guys. And what this guy is doing, if you don't have the skill to do it, you can go over to Upwork and hire a person from Upwork to do this work. And look, you got 8 orders right now in queue for this gig right here, and last gig got 4, guys. So add those together, guys, you see, guys, it's doing great number and here. So he taking Fiverr for a living, so you can go about to try out Fiverr to like do to like the skill that you gather over the years where you're doing Shopify dropshipping and you're not like making the most money that you want to make. So you get like some companies come on here to like create Shopify dropshipping store that have warehouse in the United States, guys. And when you like create a store for them and they see you do great work, they will like continue while they come to you guys to like create store, guys. Right here you got eight orders on this gig, and what if we check his other gig? He got orders on all of those gigs, and I'm telling you, this dude is not doing all of the work by himself. So he got like, maybe he got like friends that he shares some of the work to, or he hire a person and Upwork, or he got a team, guys, that he's working with, guys. So I'm telling you, there's a lot of opportunity out here, guys. If you feel at dropshipping, which on Shopify, you can like jump over to Fiverr or Upwork, any one of those freelancer platform, guys. I started out with Fiverr, guys, and like Fiverr was blowing up. Once you get your first order, guys, you should like, once you get your first orders, you do this buyer request. Once you get your first order and get a good review, order will like continue come and come, guys. So that's what I like about Fiverr. But what I don't really like, they take a lot of percentage of your payment, guys. So for example, if you get this $80 work, they will like give you like $50 or $48 or so, guys. I don't really like check the percentage how many they take. And also let's look at this store image that you can, as you can see, guys, these are the same, this is the same team he's using, guys. So the same team, you can get this team on eBay, guys. So let me show you an example of this team that I'm talking about. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, Shopify team, guys. So you're getting 25 team right here, guys. 25 team for like $20 only, as you can see right here. That's a really great deal. They're selling like a premium team. I don't know which team is this. I gotta like check to see. They're selling top 7 ultimate Shopify templates for like, these are still team, they just say template for $6 right there, guys. As you can get like a lot of great team up here that person are like selling, person that the companies are selling on Shopify for like $100, $200 and up more, guys. So these person like buy these, like get this team. I don't know where they get this team, but they get this team from somewhere, our website, and like selling this team back for like nothing, guys. As you can see right here, this is the turbo team. This is a great team. So you can like go through and check out all of this stuff, guys, to find like great team that you can use in your Shopify store and all of those stuff, guys. So that's what I want to like really show you. Some person, you can use this team to create like a high quality store. You won't do a lot of work. You just like create the team, get the image, and like ask the person like what type of content they want on the store. So they will send you a document with the content that you want. the niche and all of those stuff, guys. So, and also you should tell those persons that are ordering your gig to like create to like, you will send them a notepad with like your email and all of those stuff, because if you send your email on Fiverr to this person, Fiverr will like strike your account for sending email, guys. And if you see like you should not like do payment off Fiverr, guys. So if you do that and Fiverr like found out, they will like ban your account as well, guys. But you will get some person that will ask you if you want to pay off Fiverr or like PayPal or any of those stuff, but you should not do it. It's at your own risk. But you will get like, if you do that, you will get all of the money and no percentage, but you put your account at risk and your business at risk, because Fiverr is a long-term business, guys. So once you start getting orders on your account, they will be on the internet for a lifetime. That's Fiverr lost if you don't get your account banned. So you will constantly like getting orders and orders and orders, guys. So if you want to see how this person make this image, they use a website called Canva, or you use Photoshop, guys. So Canva.com, you like get this PNG image of AliExpress and Shopify logo, and like you get this box, you type in the text, get the stars there, and just right, type in this stuff and get this image free premium domains, guys. So you get those type of image, guys. So what this dude is doing to like beat out of the competition, guys, is giving a free domain name, right? Free premium domain name with the Shopify store. But all of those domain name cost is coming out of his gig, out of the cost of the gig, same way, guys. So it's just like using that tactics, guys, to like make more money, but he did it wrong, guys. So what he should do is like create an add-on, guys. So you create an upsell to upsell the person. Like for example, if you're creating a store and they don't have any image content to like put on the store, so you can offer like stock images, some free stock image, and for an upsell, guys. So when you do those upsell, that's where you're gonna see most of your money, guys, on Fiverr, guys. That's what one of the great things about Fiverr. You can do upsell, guys. Like you can do like image upsell, you can do like product upsell, you can do page upsell, you can do all of those stuff upsell, guys. So that's what I want to talk to you guys about today, guys. And you can look how he do his packages and all of those stuff. You can see, you look at the description that he's writing right here what he's offering the person, to see what he's doing to like get so many customers, guys. So that's it for the video, guys. So if you like this video and like what I'm telling you about, you can do with your Shopify skill that you gather over the year, over the months, or over the weeks, how long you're doing Shopify, you can get those skill and put it into Fiverr to make the most out of your skill, guys. So you're getting paid for your skill, some simple work, guys, that you know how to do already, guys. So that's it for the video, guys. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the post notification bell. Don't forget to do that. Also follow me on my social media platform, they will be in the description, guys. And now I'm booking, you can book a consultation call from me, guys. It's really cheap, so it'll be in the description as well, guys. So go out there and like support my channel to help my channel to grow, guys. I'm out.